Good morning, friends. I am Ram Kumar. I would like to give a small strategy which had been created by me. It is called wedge strategy. Now I would like to give a small presentation PowerPoint on this. Wedge, it's an intraday and positional trading strategy. What is wedge? V for velocity, speed of stock with respect to time, and E, elasticity, ability of a stock to resume its normal pace after being stretched or compressed. Gravity, force of attraction by which stock price tend to fall towards the central pace level. Now for velocity, I had given some small examples. Speed. For example, Bank Nifty average range for the day is 500 points. So let us assume the total trading hours is almost 6 hours 15 minutes totally, from morning 9:15 to 3:30. So 6 hours 15 minutes divided by 500 points. That is the range for Bank Nifty usually. So that means for 1 hour, the Bank Nifty should move around 85 points or 90 points, somewhere like that. So only then the total 500 points will be achieved in 6 hours 15 minutes. But whereas sometimes Bank Nifty will open gap with the 200, 300 points. That means it is covering almost 50% of its move. That means 6 hours 15 minutes. Total move is 6 hours 15 minutes for 500 points. This 300 points is happening in a matter of just 1 hour or half an hour, gap up or sometimes gap down, whatever it is. The move is around 300 points. So that means that day we cannot calculate in such a respect. The velocity of that speed will be the same for the whole day. So if it is for the whole day, if it is the same, that means first half an hour is 300 points. That means for 6 hours, it should travel more than 2,400 points in a day. That is not going to happen anyhow. So each and everywhere, there will be some sort of consolidation. So once if it is moving 300 points in half an hour, 1 hour, then it may consolidate for 100 points or somewhere in the same range for another 1 or 2 hours. Then again the move will be around 100, 200 points. In that way, it may move around 600 to 800 points in that particular day. Sometimes the speed will be very less, and the half of the day also, the Bank Nifty will not be moving more than 200 points. So that means the whole day it won't achieve its 500 points range. So that's the way we have to come to a conclusion whether it is active or not. So velocity is a very important tool which will give clear targets for Nifty or Bank Nifty or any individual script, how it is reacting in the market from morning to closing hours. Okay. So we can't judge everywhere the same speed throughout the 6.5 hours. So sometimes we can see a spike of 250 points Bank Nifty in 20 minutes or 30 minutes. That means for the whole day, it won't travel more than 3,000 points. It will be in a range between 800 or 700. So velocity, we should see how much time it is taking, then how much it is going to consolidate, and how much will be the range for that day according to the velocity happening, the speed, the rates move, price of the Bank Nifty moves. So this will be an important tool to calculate the range for the Bank Nifty. So every day it won't be the same. So daily if you watch the velocity of the move, how it is reacting, how it is going to act, we'll get some clear conclusion. So either today the range for Bank Nifty will be more than 1,000 points or 2,000 points or only 600 points. For example, on Thursday, the opening itself, first half an hour, 1 hour, it moved around 550 points. That means the whole day it won't travel 2,500 points or 3,000 points. Every hour 500 points means 6 hours is 3,000 points. It did not happen. The velocity is very high to a certain extent. Then it was consolidating in some small range. Then again there was a 150 points move upside. Then again 100 points consolidation. then again 200, 300 points move. So totally it was a 900-point move on that particular day. So this is the way we have to analyze the speed or velocity of the Nifty or Bank Nifty or anything. Now, I would like to give another example, describe about elasticity. It is nothing but how much it can stretch. What is the capacity, that is the range for Bank Nifty? How much it can stretch in a day? That's what I had been telling. The stretch will be 500 points or sometimes 800 points, sometimes 2000 points. It depends upon how much strong or how much strong hands are taking the Nifty, Bank Nifty, either side, either upside or downside. So once we see, watch for half an hour or 1 hour or 2 hours, we'll get some conclusion Bank Nifty is in the strong hands. So we can expect another 300 to 500 points upside. So that is the place where we have to analyze the elasticity. Usually elasticity is nothing but average true range, ATR. But every day it keeps on differing. For example, on Thursday, the true range was around 900 points. High-low difference was 900 points. Usually it will be 400 to 500 points. So morning itself, we can come to a conclusion that today the stretch will be very high. So according to that, we have to plan our entries. So in that way, we should find out the elasticity of the range on that particular day. Every day it keeps on changing. So every day, whether it is in the strong hands or weak hands, sometimes the Bank Nifty will move non-stop upside. Always it will create a new high, higher high and higher low. So that means it is in a strong hand. Like that we have to calculate elasticity. Now gravity. Gravity is nothing but, it's all, we can tell as a retracement, we can tell. So whenever things are going up, it have to cool down for a certain time frame or certain points. In that way, Bank Nifty, if it is moving around 200 to 300 points in a short time frame, it will correct at least 100 to 120 points in a very, very short time frame. Then again, it will consolidate around those levels. And again, it will break the high and move another 100 points upside or 150 points upside. Then it will consolidate around those levels. Then again, 100 to 150 points correction. So it will take its own time for the whole 6 hours, 15 minutes move. So this gravity is also very much important for the call writers or put writers. So whenever we see a up move of 300 points or 250 points in a very short time frame, maybe half an hour or 20 minutes or 1 hour, we can expect a correction of 100 to 150 points. So there are many calculations. We have to practice it. So every activity have a reaction. So in my view, we have to watch everything the whole day and we'll get some clear picture how these things are happening. So elasticity, gravity and velocity. Only these three things are very important. Okay, now as I had given you the presentation, we have to work on that. For example, if there is any up move for 200, 300 points in a very short time frame, we can expect some correction. That correction may be 80 points or 100 points. So that means whether we are trading in futures or in options. Suppose if you want to trade in options, whenever there is a move of 200, 300 points, you just wait for 100 points correction and enter the strike rate. Any strike rate at the money or next next strike rate above at the money, ATM. So that once if it breaks the high, your call will become doubled or at least it will give 60% returns in a very short time frame. All these things will happen in a matter of 1 or 2, 1.5 hours. So we have to wait for the opportunity to utilize all these moves. So every day we'll get at least 3 to 4 opportunities either way to buy a put or to buy a call. So whenever the Bank Nifty is moving 300 points in a one stretch, there we can try to buy a put at the money. When there is a 150 points correction, that put will give at least 50 to 60 points benefit at the money put that we can replace. Or else after some correction, the same call at the money call will be available in the cheaper rate, so that we can buy. It will break that high previously what it happened, so that we'll get another 60 or 80 points. So we have to watch all these things and come to a conclusion. So every day we get at least 3 to 4 opportunities which will fetch you in options, at the money options, more than 60 to 80 points or 100 points. And if you are very sure about the range for the day, you can wait for another 100 points or 200 points. It is up to how we work on that. So we have to calculate all those things every day, time to time, how the bank nifty is moving and the swing of the move. Either it is 200 points or 500 points or 100 points. And we want to see whether the swing low, how much time it is taking. And again, the time to break the previous swing high. So most of them, we don't watch the time frame. We see the swing high and swing low, but we have to have a clear view on swing high and swing low time frame, how the difference. So it will give much more clarity and the momentum also, and our entries will get a very decent profit in a very short time frame. No need of waiting for a half an hour, 1 or 2 hours, the whole day like that. So this is the way we have to try to take questions and do. So I request everyone to watch this wedge theory: velocity, elasticity and gravity. How much fast it is going in what time frame, and how much time it is consolidating, and what will be the maximum stretch for the day, elasticity, and what can be the retracement. So with these 3 things, if you have a clear knowledge, you can make very decent money in a very short time frame. Happy trading. Thank you.